darling, you okay?
Hiya, Dad. You did take half, don't you?
We did take
Yeah,
out,
don't
yeah.
mind.
As long as you got the money there, yeah.
Oh, don't worry, yeah. So,
You do delivery as well now, don't you?
Just eat, Stockport eat, delivery.
Stockport eat over eat. Carry on.
can I have 2 lots of chips, please?
Do some meal deals over there,
Oh, yeah?
like your fish and peas together.
Thanks very much. See ya.
Would you like some lemon? Nice and fresh.
See you again, fella. Thanks very much. Yeah, you go. See you, mate.
It's okay, the hot chili, yeah?
Yeah. Well, here we are, guys. Back from Salty Towers with the kebab and a tango. Well, let's have a look at this kebab. Come on. So it's either steak or shut, guys. Let's have a look at my kebab. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna have a look at this. Get that out of the way. Rubbish. There it is, Salty Towers 2. Wow, look at this. Look at that, guys. Doesn't it look lovely, that? Now he's given me 3 different meats. Obviously got the chicken, or the chicken tikka, and the kebab meat, and skewered chicken. So we're going to have a taste of this first, I think. Look at that. Doesn't that look proper? Oh. I've got the hot chili on it, and it's not overpowering. It's just the right amount. That was absolutely lovely. Now, let's have a look at this chicken tikka. Look at this. Beautiful. Still juicy, so juicy. And of course, the doner meat. My favourite. Oh, guys, that's just lush. Oh, let's tuck into some more of this. Now this as well, this is a Greek bread. It's like a Greek pita, and you can ask for these apparently, rather than just normal pita bread. Like I say, these are Greek pita. Now he does tell me he imports these from Greece as well. So I'm just going to put a bit of chicken on, a bit of tomato, a bit of onion, and a little bit of lettuce. Just making a sort of a little sandwich like that. just so we can sample the bread. Oh. It's got a bit more of like a charcoal taste, bittery taste. The bread, it's absolutely lovely. Have a bit with chicken tikka. Can't fault that, guys. That is bang on. Absolutely bang on. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, he did this one especially for me. The 3 meats. Whoa. Taste that chilli now, it is a bit powering. Whoa, that's nice. And it has got some kick to it once it gets to the back of your throat. Like I said, he did make this especially for me. It's not on the board, 3 meats. So you can ask for it when you go in. Just tell them you want the kebab with the 3 meats, like Stocky Bloke had. And with the Greek bread. You've got to try this Greek bread, lads, girls. You definitely got to try this. With the chili sauce on. Like I said, bit of tomato, bit of lettuce, bit of onion. And what I did forget last time was a cucumber. So, oh, it's linger ficking. Not linger ficking, finger licking, even. Guys, that is outstanding. That is truly, truly outstanding. So I'm not hiding nothing from you. I don't know how much this was because Julian gave it to me. Because I went down to test the kebab and he was pleased to see me. Didn't know I was coming. Pleased to see me. He's treated me to this kebab himself. So I couldn't tell you how much it is if you have all the 3 meats. But they do delivery. They got delivery for Deliveroo, somebody like that. So if you ring them up, you can order, ring the number. I'll put it on the descriptions below. It's got that doner meat on its own. I mean, I'm a massive doner fan. I know you all think I'm a fish and chip man, but I'm not. I'm a kebab man, definitely. And the 3 meats is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I just can't leave it alone and just keep picking at it. Oh. I'll put all the descriptions below. Please have a read of them, guys, because it might be something I forgot to say on here. But one thing I can remember to say, please, 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 guys, if you are enjoying this content, give me a thumbs up. It means $1 million to me, or £1 million even. If you can, just click that little thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please, please subscribe to the channel. It helps build my channel and gets me out. And I have got a new members section. If you join as a member, you can see all the uncut versions of my videos that I'm doing, filmed in the background. So you'll see the bits that I've cut out and why I've cut out. So that's $2.99 a month. Please, please, guys, if you can afford it, please, please become a member of Stocky Bloke's YouTube channel. But now, I'm coming to scores. Now, I'm going to wait, guys, until I've finished it, or I've eaten what I can, then I'm going to come back and score it. So, for you, it'll be any minute. Well, I've eaten what I can, guys. There's still some left. Do you know, I'm not what I used to be. Since I'm getting old, 60 now, since I'm getting old, can't seem to manage as much. But the good thing with these kebabs, you can have it afterwards, can't you? So, look at what I've left. That's what's left out of it all. So it's not bad, guys. Like I say, I've got a few little bit. I've eaten the lettuce and that, obviously can't eat that up. But the onions, and I can stick a bit of lettuce and a bit of tomato on that of my own afterwards. Wow, mouth's on fire, sweating. Guys, and I'm not lying, and I'm not just giving this a good score because he gave it to me. Guys, that is mega. One of the best kebabs I've ever had. The flavour, the chili's still stinging around my lips, on the back of my tongue. Lovely chili sauce. Chicken's still so fresh, so juicy. The bread has got that, like I said, charcoal, bittery taste. Absolutely lovely. Salad in it. But the chicken tikka as well, still juicy. And the kebab meat, spot on. And again, guys, it is. It's a 10. 10 out of 10. That is exceptional. Please, if you go and try it, when you come back, leave some comments down below and tell me that you've been to try it and what you thought of it, if you thought my score was right or not. But yeah, for me, that's my opinion, I know that, guys. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Girls, ladies, boys, thank you very much for your support on this channel. It's wonderful that you're all giving me that support. Please keep it going. And I shall see you on my next video. Till then, keep punching.